Merge sign. Merge sign warns that two traffic lanes are joining together. It is yellow because yellow is used for road warnings. Its diamond shape tells drivers to pay attention ahead. It means vehicles must safely blend into one lane, slow down if needed, and make room for merging traffic. Slippery wet sign. Slippery wet sign warns the road may become slick. It is yellow because it alerts drivers to a hazard. Its diamond shape identifies it as a warning sign. It means tires may lose traction during rain. Reduce speed and avoid sudden braking or turning. Lane end sign. Lane end sign warns that a lane will soon disappear. It is yellow because drivers need advance warning. Its diamond shape signals a roadway change ahead. It means you must merge into another lane, mirror early, and avoid last-second lane changes. Speed limit sign. Speed limit sign shows the maximum legal speed allowed. It is black and white because it is a traffic law. Its rectangular shape indicates a regulatory sign. It means driving faster is against the law. Stay at or below the posted speed limit. Interstate highway sign. Interstate highway sign identifies major interstate routes. It is red, white, and blue because it represents the U.S. interstate system. Its shield shape makes it easy to recognize. It means you are traveling on an interstate highway. Follow the route number to stay on your path. U.S. route marker sign. U.S. route marker sign identifies a federal highway route. It is black and white for maximum visibility. Its shield shape distinguishes it from interstate signs. It means you are on a U.S. highway route. Use the route number for navigation and directions. Road work ahead sign. Road work ahead sign warns of construction ahead. It is orange because orange signals temporary work zones. Its diamond shape identifies a warning message. It means workers or equipment may be nearby. Slow down and follow all work zone instructions. Hill steep grade sign. Hill sign warns of a steep downhill road ahead. It is yellow because caution is required. Its diamond shape marks it as a warning sign. It means your vehicle may gain speed quickly. Use lower gears and control your speed. Deer crossing sign. Deer crossing sign warns animals may enter the roadway. It is yellow because it alerts drivers to danger. Its diamond shape signals a warning ahead. It means deer may suddenly cross your path. Slow down and stay alert, especially at night. Wrong way sign. Wrong way sign warns you are driving against traffic. It is red because it signals immediate danger. Its rectangular shape provides a direct warning. It means you are entering a roadway incorrectly. Stop safely and turn around immediately. Do not enter sign. Do not enter sign prohibits vehicles from entering. It is red because it indicates restriction and danger. Its circular shape stands out from other signs. It means traffic is not allowed beyond this point. Turn around and find the correct route. One-way sign. One-way sign shows traffic moves in only one direction. It is black and white because it is regulatory. Its rectangular shape communicates a traffic rule. It means vehicles must travel in the shown direction. Never drive against the arrow. No U-turn sign. No U-turn sign prohibits turning around on the roadway. It is black, white, and red because it shows a restriction. Its rectangular shape displays a traffic regulation. It means U-turns are not allowed here. Continue forward and use a legal turning location. No passing zone sign. No passing zone sign warns passing is unsafe. It is yellow because it warns of road danger. Its pennant shape is unique and easy to spot. It means do not pass vehicles in this area. Stay in your lane until the restriction ends. Curve ahead sign. Curve ahead sign warns the road bends ahead. It is yellow because it alerts drivers to a change. Its diamond shape identifies a warning sign. It means the roadway will curve in the shown direction. Slow down before entering the curve. Sharp turn sign. Sharp turn sign warns of a very tight turn ahead. It is yellow because caution is necessary. Its diamond shape signals a roadway hazard. It means a significant speed reduction may be needed. Brake before the turn, not during it. Winding road sign. Winding road sign warns of multiple curves ahead. It is yellow because it alerts drivers to changing conditions. Its diamond shape marks it as a warning sign. It means the road will twist several times. Reduce speed and stay focused on steering.